Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvan. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make SK2P. It is a double decrease with the left lean. Usually it is used in the lace patterns and also in shaping. Take a look at this pattern. Here is the base of this triangle, and here is SK2P was made. It is surrounded by 2 yarn overs to balance the amount of stitches, because this is not a shaping, this is a pattern, a lace pattern, so we need to have an even amount of stitches every round. Let me show you how to knit this double decrease. I am working out this pattern. This is SK2P. So I've made one repeat of this pattern already, and this is SK2P surrounded by 2 yarn overs. So let's approach to this decrease. 1, 2, 3, yarn over. Okay, here we go. We need slip 1 stitch knitwise, knit 2 stitches together, and slip and pass this slip stitch over this decreased already stitch. And here is the lean. Let's do it once more. So slip 1 stitch knitwise, knit 2 stitches together, pass the slipped stitch over this knit stitch. Okay, once more. Slip stitch knitwise, knit 2 stitches together, and pass slip stitch over. So that's actually all for today. Thanks for watching it. Follow my channel and have a great day. See you!